So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cheryl Boo. If you haven't subscribed, consider clicking on that subscribe button. Subscribe, like, comment and share. To my returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl here. To the people who are watching me for the very first time, kindly smash on that subscribe button down there, like, comment and share, and welcome home. You know, this is home of good vibe, home where we do it as it is. This is our home here, guys, and this is our village, right from the city back to the village, east west. Home is the best. So we are here at home. This is our seat, but because we didn't have cushions, I've decided to, okay guys, this is our seat. It's so strong, by the way. It's only that we don't have cushions to put in here, so I've decided to make my own seat by using this jerrycan. Is there an English name for this one? Jerrycan is an English name, right?
Oh, contain.
Contain. Oh, that's so long.
Boots on.
Oh, this is how we do it here in the village. We're gonna cook. This is so fresh from the lake. Yeah? It came dancing. We just kill it right now. So, and we are cooking another. Sabebu showed them one piece. There's this one. It looks like nini. How is it called, Sam? Hii fish inaitwaga catfish ama?
Yes.
Ama?
Yeah, that's a catfish.
So we have this one here. We're also preparing this one. For those who know, it's very delicious. It's found in the freshwater lake in Kisumu Dala. Hey, this kisu is too blunt. Sama kuna kisu ingine sharp. Ooh! Hey! The knife was too blunt, guys. So we are preparing fish. We have our sukuma wiki here. There's nyanya. We have dania, or they call it
Coriander.
coriander. Ama the other name. It has another name too. So we have coriander here, and these ones we're gonna prepare this for breakfast. These are arrowroots. This is our onions. And Mr. Chef, say hi today. Say hi.
Hi.
We have the master, the chef master. So this is how it goes here at home. This is basic, but we normally use those 3 stones over there. Show them. We normally use these 3 stones to cook, but because it's raining so hard, we can't use the fire. We can't light the fire because we don't have the firewoods ready. It's raining outside. We can't go and fetch firewood, so we've resolved in using our gas here. So that's how the thing goes. And here, most of our sufurias, you'll find them black at the back. Inside is very clean, but outside here is always black. Reason because we normally use the 3 stones to cook. Okay, for those who don't know, at least now you know. This is how our ingredients are ready. That's the coriander, onion, tomatoes, the fish, and the other fish is still boiling over there, and our sukuma wiki is here. So keep it locked, guys. I'll take you through one by one until the end. You will see. Mpaka saa zenye tunakula, we'll eat together. Don't worry, I got you guys, okay? This is African home lifestyle ushago. By ushago I mean ushago I mean in the village, like deep inside the village. This is how they do it, you know. So this is our simple kitchen, and this is our table where we are preparing our ingredients and cooking. So guys, keep it locked here. And there's this beautiful lady. Say hi.
No.
The woman behind the cutting. Say hi.
Hello.
We have to remove it and do some frying. So this is that fish, the catfish, right? No, that's not the way to hold it. Landscape, mama. Pause. Hakuna hata mafuta hapa. So guys, this is our catfish. It's already ready. It's here. So we need to do some frying, and we're gonna take you along with us. Our ingredients are here. We're gonna use these onions and the tomatoes and the coriander. So cut. Here we go. Do you think that is enough? Because here in the village they don't use more. What's this one?
Yeah, it's enough.
It's enough for that,
Yeah.
right? They don't use much oil. Kidogo too. Because my grandpa, if you cook with too much oil, he won't eat it. He doesn't like his food with too much oil. So we're gonna prepare the catfish first, then we'll prepare this one, because there are some of us who don't eat the catfish. So we'll have to eat this one fresh. So hold it there until we finish. This and this, we'll see. We have to wait for them to be golden brown, you know. So yeah, to add some salt, guys. We season it with salt here in the village. This is how we do it. No containers. We just take straight from the pepper, from the how is this thing called? From the package. From the package straight to our hands, then there. Here in the village, we don't store them in the containers. This is how they do it here. So guys, hope you're enjoying. I think I'm forgetting something. We used to store these ones in the tins for Blue Band or chocolates, and those tins normally comes. They used to bring us shopping during Christmas, and then after the shopping zimeisha, that's when we normally take the tin and we use it. I remember that tin can last for a whole year. Then you just change it. After December is when you change it, when you get some new shopping from people, from our relatives who used to stay in urban areas. So here in the village, we used to wait for the shopping to come, then we use the tin. That is if the tin is there. For Blue Band or chocolates, those ones are the ones we normally use. But right now, it seems we don't have anything. So this is the way to go, guys. Yeah, guys, it's ready. So we have to make our stew now. Oh, hey, this soup is too much, yeah? There's a lot. We call it soup. Like maybe close to 30 minutes. So guys, I've realized the soup is too much. But here in the village, they love soup. By soup, I mean the soup. I don't know whether you can see my food so well. Are you able to see it? Are you able to see it, Mama? Maybe you can show them. That is it. Super delicious.
But it doesn't have salt. There's no salt.
Mr. Tester, this is our tester here. And it will come and test again. He just said this food doesn't have salt. Guys, this is our tester. This one here is our tester. And he's trying to say that this fish doesn't have salt. You guys have just seen. I've just put salt in here. See the way he's tasting?
No, there's no salt in the food, guys. There's no salt.
See the way he's tasting? wasting food, guys. But anyway, this is the life here in Africa. This is how we normally do
But
it
it's
in the
sweet.
kitchen.
Sweet.
Very sweet, right?
Wow.
Am I the best chef?
Yeah, you are.
High five! Woo! Chef. This is how we used to hang our food. The leftovers, let me say you cooked, you served people and you still have some food left with you. You would always put it here on this. We used to call it a waste. I don't know the English name, but you guys can let us know in the comment section below, because I know some of you also still have it in their villages like us, you know. So this is just like storage. You keep your, like you see this one here, it carries some things. This is how we store things. If the food remains from the sufuria, you hang it here. We never used to have fridges in the houses, so that is the only way we used to preserve our foods for the next day. So you just put it here with your sufuria. By sufuria I mean cooking pot. You just put it here and close it for tomorrow. So that is life in Africa and life in the villages. We are enjoying the life in the village. Is so awesome, guys. This is real and authentic life here in the village. So no filters, no nothing. This is how we do it. Hope you guys do the same in your villages. The only thing that you don't, in most villages, you don't do is using the gas. Because I showed you earlier, we normally use the 3 stones like over there. But today, and it was so unfortunate that we don't have the cooking, the firewood to lit the fire, because it really rained so hard before we fetch the fire. But once we fetch the fire tomorrow, if there will be sun, you're gonna see how we lit the fire and how we cook here in the village. So we all normally have this one for backup. And okay, I can say we are privileged to have this one in the village, because we normally use this one only for cooking breakfast. Because we don't want it to get finished so fast. So we normally use it for only for breakfast, you know. But today we are enjoying to cook dinner with it. So our next fish, guys. So you're gonna prepare the tilapia and
Bariga.
this is our water. We've already prepared it. This is the soup. We're gonna use that soup. So this is how you cook fresh fish here. You make your stew the way you want it to be, and then you just dip your fish. They are clean, by the way. They are washed already. So I just have to dip them and wait for it to cook for some time. Maybe you can show them so that they can see. That is how you cook fresh fish. Fresh from the lake, guys. Fresh from the lake. Our food is ready. That's our tilapia fresh fish. It's very ready. So on to the next cut. So guys, we wanna fry our scales here. So that is the next one. But on this one, you're not gonna use tomatoes. You're just gonna use the onions and kale, and that's it. Then the last one will be ugali. Ugali is a mixture of water and flour. Is it flour or flour?
Flour.
A mixture of water and flour, right? So I'll show you how to make ugali. Ugali is one of the Kenyan's national food. It's one of our national foods here in Kenya. So if you visit my country and you fail to eat ugali, then you're missing it. You have to eat some ugali. So let's do this.
Okay.
Okay. I've added salt. Did you show them? So, typical village life. You just gotta use this one to hold it. I can't do it bare hand. have used a big sufuria, but anyway. This is my cooking pot. Sufuria is a cooking pot, guys. Sufuria is a cooking pot. No, that's too much. Unaweka mingi. I love my kale's green. Let me know in the comment section below if you too love your kale's green. I don't want it to overcook. It has to be green to taste. So yeah. So, Sam, can I have that plate, Sam? I believe. No. These are my kales, guys, and it's green and very ready. Very ready to be consumed. So I'm just gonna put it here. Because I want to use this same pot to prepare ugali. So, cut. Let me try and clear my table here. This is our ugali. We've already removed some parts to serve others. So, we're gonna serve here. This is our fish. You have to be careful with this fish. It's always too delicate, you know. So that's our fresh fish. Looks delicious. Should we call it delirious? But delicious.
Bon appetit.
So guys, this is our food here. We're gonna serve it with this ugali, and that will be our supper for today. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's vlog. Hope you have seen the authenticity of the village life, and this is how we live here in the village, and we embrace it so much. So this is how we're gonna have our dinner, and hope you've enjoyed today's vlog, guys. If you haven't subscribed, consider smash that subscribe button, guys, and leave a comment in the comment box below. Let me know what you think about today's vlog. Okay, so thank you guys for today, and bye bye. See you on the next one.